The Mystery of the Tower of London. The Tower of London is one of the oldest buildings in England. It was built nearly 1,000 years ago by William the Conqueror. Today, millions of tourists visit it every year. But many people believe the tower holds more than history. They believe it holds ghosts. For hundreds of years, prisoners were locked inside the tower. Some were kings, some were queens, others were ordinary people accused of crimes. Many never walked out alive. One of the tower's most famous prisoners was Anne Boleyn. She was the second wife of King Henry VIII. In 1536, she was executed inside the tower. Since then, many visitors and guards have claimed to see a mysterious woman dressed in white. Some say she quietly walks through the halls at night. Others claim she disappears without a sound. No one has proved these stories, but they continue to be told today. Another famous mystery involves two young princes. In the late 1400s, Prince Edward and his younger brother Richard disappeared inside the tower. They were never seen alive again. No one knows exactly what happened to them. Their disappearance remains one of England's greatest historical mysteries. Some visitors believe they have heard the laughter of children echoing through empty rooms. Others report seeing two small figures holding hands before suddenly disappearing. Again, there is no scientific evidence that ghosts exist. These are stories reported by visitors over many generations. The tower is also home to the famous ravens. Legend says that if the ravens ever leave the tower, the kingdom will fall. Because of this legend, several ravens always live there under the care of special keepers. Many people think the ravens add to the tower's mysterious atmosphere. During quiet evenings, guards have reported hearing footsteps in empty corridors. Some have described doors opening by themselves. Others have spoken about strange shadows. Most historians believe there are ordinary explanations. Old buildings make unusual sounds. Wood expands and contracts. Wind moves through ancient walls. Our minds can also become more alert in dark and unfamiliar places. Still, the stories continue. Every year, thousands of people visit the tower, hoping to experience something unusual. Some leave convinced they witnessed a ghost. Others leave believing the legends are simply part of history. Whatever the truth may be, the Tower of London remains one of the world's most fascinating historical sites. Its walls have witnessed wars, executions, celebrations, and centuries of history. Perhaps that is why so many mysterious stories have survived for hundreds of years. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the Tower of London reminds us that history can sometimes feel as mysterious as fiction, and maybe that is what makes it unforgettable.